Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I'll be answering the question, does Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus have circle to search? Let's begin. And the answer to that question is yes, it does. We can hold our home button here, and as you can see, it even says that currently we have it disabled. So we can simply click enable, and once we tried it once again, we can, for example, circle the water here. However, as you can see, I am not currently connected to any Wi-Fi. So let me quickly connect to one. And now if I will do this once again, we can circle to search anything we want. And if it's for some reason not working for you, you want to go into settings, you want to go into display, and if you scroll down, I believe, oh, I actually lost it. I think it's in navigation bar. Oh yes, in navigation bar, you can simply toggle on or off circle to search. And yes, it also works completely fine with swipe gestures. Let me quickly configure that. And if we go back to display, and we go to navigation bar and we swipe to swipe gestures, this also is working perfectly fine. We just have to hold down this little bar right here to actually circle something and search sunset over the sea, for example. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. Thanks for watching.